Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to solve a problem in regards with physics. So our problem is, at what temperature will the centigrade and the Fahrenheit scale will have the same reading? Since we know already the formula for centigrade and Fahrenheit scale and I already discussed it on my previous video, we're going to use it on our solution for today's video. So for our solution, we have a condition or an equation of F is equal to C because the problem is looking for a temperature that centigrade and Fahrenheit scale will have the same reading. So for our solution, we have a condition of F equals to C. Our first step to do is to use the formula for Fahrenheit. And knowing that the formula for Fahrenheit is F equals to 9 over 5 C plus 32. Next step is to change the variable of term that have the variable C into F because F is equal to C. Our formula will now become F equals to 9 over 5 F plus 32. And by subtracting both sides by 9 over 5F, we can get F minus 9 over 5F equals to 32. Because 9 over 5 was already cancelled out at the right side of our equation. And the outcome is this one. And getting the LCD of these two terms, the LCD is 5. And knowing that we have 1 here, denominator of F, 5 divided by 1 is 5, multiplied to F is equal to 5F. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1, multiplied to negative 9F is equal to negative 9F equals to 32. By simplifying the left side of our equation, we can get negative 4F over 5 equals to 32 because negative 9 is greater than positive 5. And multiplying both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of this one, and the reciprocal of that is negative 5 over 4, so that we can cancel out negative 4 over 5 the left side. Our answer will now become F equals to negative 40 degrees because 32 times negative 5 is negative 160 divided by 4 is equal to negative 40 degrees. So let's check it now if the answer will be the same when we use the formula for Celsius and change all the variable F into C. So for our solution, knowing that the formula for Celsius is C is equal to 5 over 9 quantity F minus 32, and changing F into C, our formula will now become C equals to 5 over 9 C minus 32, and multiplying both sides by 9 so that we can get rid 9 the right side of our equation, and substitute 9 the left side, we can get 9C equals to 5 quantity C minus 32. Substituting 5 to our parentheses equals to 5C minus 160. So subtracting both sides by 5C, we can get 4C, and 5C at the right side was already cancelled out equals to negative 160. Dividing both sides by 4 so that we can get rid 4 the left side of our equation. So C is equal to negative 40 degrees. So we already proved that centigrade and Fahrenheit scale are equal at negative 40 degrees. And either of the two formulas we use, the answer is the same. That's it guys, I hope you learned something from this video and hope you like it. If you do, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notification bell right over there so that you'll be notified on my next upload. Thank you guys for watching.